As you've seen in the title, today it's a Gucci unboxing. So if you want to see what I got, stay tuned. Thank you for tuning into my channel today. On my channel, I talk all about fashion. I talk about modest fashion. I show you how I debunk the myth around modest dressing or modest style. I show you how elegant, how sophisticated modest style really is through my fashion blog called Passion Heavenly. This is where again I share all about modest fashion and debunking all the myth surrounding modest style. I also share faith inspirational posts. I share style, I share beauty, I share travels whenever I can get away by myself or with my family. If this sounds like anything you'd be interested in knowing more about, there's a link in the description bar below. Check that out. It takes you right to click on it and it takes you right onto my my blog. On my blog you can just subscribe to my blog. That way whenever I have an update you will be notified of that update. Speaking of updates, here on YouTube as well, I would love for you to join the ever-growing community here that we're building here on YouTube. Just make sure that you subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell so that anytime I have a new video up as well, you also will be notified. All right, ladies, so I don't know about you, but I haven't shopped in Gucci in years. When I tell you, I mean years, because of all the counterfeiting of their bags, their shoes and stuff like that. I just got turned off from actually buying anything from Gucci for years. And so recently, I want to say beginning of this year, I stumbled upon a sandal on Gucci and I got that sandal. Now I don't even know why. I think I had tons of content to share with you ladies. I was super excited and I kind of missed that. And I think I've shared that sandal in one or two of my style videos that I've done here on YouTube on my channel. And the sandal that I'm talking about is actually this one. I'm sure you ladies would have seen this on my feed on Instagram or here on YouTube. I've only worn it for I think photo shoots, and I've worn it once after wearing it for a photo shoot twice. I've worn it just once to a baby shower, and that's about it. So this pair of sandals actually brought back my love for Gucci. And when I saw this bag that I'm about to share with you today, I when I saw this bag, I had to do a little bit of digging, a little bit of research on it, because I'd never actually heard of the name, right? And I even went into Gucci. I just went to kind of inquire about the bag again. Like I said, I've never heard of the name before, and I've never really seen that pattern and the colors mixed together by Gucci. So I just again doing my research, and the essay that actually I spoke to at the store told me that this line didn't do well with Gucci, hence why it was taken off the shelf not too long when it was released. So I don't know how I feel about that. However, I'm just glad I have this bag in my collection because it's very different. It's very distinct, in my opinion. When you see it, you have to kind of look at it and be like, is this really Gucci? I love all the details surrounding the bag, hence why I picked up the bag. And the bag that I'm talking about, let me share that bag with you in a second. So the bag that I am talking about is actually in this dust bag, and you ladies already know how much I love my dust bag, because I use the dust bag to store the bag. That's exactly what it's for. Now, like I was telling you a little bit of backstory about the bag. I had to do my research on this bag because I've not really seen either the name or this particular bag anywhere. And so when I saw it, I was interested in it, and I started kind of do my research. Initially, to be honest with you, I actually thought it was one of those fake bags that is is been done out there. But but when I saw it, I because where I saw it is just where I know that they'll never sell counterfeit items. And I had to do my my own research about the bag. And so let me give you the name of the bag. In fact, when I heard the name of the bag as well, I was I had that doubt that what kind of name is that. So the name of this bag is the Gucci red slash green. That's the color. Cow skin small Trapuntata Zumi bag. Like when I heard that name, I was like, what kind of name is that? But again, like I said, I went into Gucci myself, and I asked about the bag. I was educated about the line itself, and the Pruntata itself. The essay took her time, and she explained everything regarding the line, regarding the bag itself, and stuff like that. And so I went ahead and I purchased this. Now, this bag did come with the box originally. However, I've had this bag. I think I got this bag at the end of August, if not maybe the first week in September. Like you can see, the dust bag. Again, one of the things I love about this bag is the red dust bag. Usually, if you're familiar with Gucci, their dust bag is usually like a cream color, with the ties being black. But in this case, the dust bag itself is so pretty. Like it's that orangey red color, and that's what it looks like. And let me share what the bag looks like. The color of the bag itself is just insane. I mean, ladies, look at that. Can we just take a moment, for this bag? Like, I just love the color. And you ladies already know by now, I'm a color lover. I absolutely love colors, and I absolutely am obsessed with handbags. And you can see from here, and I think I've shared some of these bags on here on display as my background in one or two videos with you ladies. And so this is a new addition to my crossbody, my shoulder bag collection. Now, I do love like the Gucci logo. You can see that, like the Gucci logo right there. I think this logo is currently still on their website. It looks like the horsebit logo. The horsebit was like from the 1980s that Gucci used to do. So I think they were kind of bringing that back. When they did when they produced this bag. So that's what the bag itself looks like. Like, it has the green and then the red. And then, ladies, look at the color. Like, I just love the sheen on this bag. Like, look at that. I love how the details of the bag around the entire bag itself. And then let me show you one of the things that is also very exciting about this bag, which is the details inside. Now, this, I'm the one that put the strap. I shorten it this way. So let me open that for you ladies to see. So with all my bags, again, I just put all these hair bags or air pillows in there to store the bag. So that's what I did as soon as the bag came. That was one of the first things that I did. I just stuffed the bag with the air pillows, just to kind of retain the shape of the bag. Now, let me show you the most exciting thing about this bag, which is the inside. Before I get into that, let me show you the strap. So with the strap, one of the reasons and the details I love about this bag, the strap details, let me show that to you. Like, it's a woven strap, as you can see. I absolutely love that. Okay, I love that detail, and I don't think I've really seen most bags having this kind of strap. And another thing about the strap is you can just kind of tie it as it's been done here. Okay, you can tie it according to how you want it. Either you want it to be short, or you want to make it shoulder length, like you want to make it as a shoulder bag, or you want to make it crossbody. That way it's long. So that's why the tie detail is there. If you want to make it, it depends on how you want it to fit on you. So the details inside of the bag, ladies, I mean, can you just see the floral lining in there? Can you see that? I absolutely love that. When I saw that, I was like, oh my God. Like, the floral details, the floral lining. Again, I've never seen, anything like it. I feel so bad that this bag didn't do so well because it has so much details, surrounding it. Inside, the interior, the exterior has so much detail. So I don't really know why this bag, wasn't raved about, or why Gucci pulled not why Gucci pulled it. I guess Gucci pulled it off because it wasn't doing so well. But what I'm trying to say is I can't understand why this bag didn't do so well, because it has so much details and it has tons of room. I mean, ladies, can you see that? And with this bag, as always, it came with um all the documentations and all that from Gucci. You can see that's what it is. And as always, I always put it in the pockets in the bag. Okay, that's where I always leave it. But I mean, ladies, I just can't get over the lining, like the details of this bag. I absolutely love this bag. Now for me, I see this bag as a camera bag, to be very honest with you, and I will share with you much more shots on how it looks on me. To make it shoulder bag, make it a crossbody bag, whatever the case may be, I will show you what it looks like on me. I just want to kind of talk about the details and the bag itself. Gucci call it a small bag, but for me, because it has tons of room, it feels like, and it feels like a camera bag to me. And the reason why I say that is because I've been eyeing this YSL, what's it called again, YSL camera bag, YSL Lou camera bag. And from what I've seen, with this bag, owning this bag now, and that YSL Lou camera bag, the shape is literally the same thing. So that's why, to me, I don't know why, Gucci called it a small bag, because even the Gucci Soho camera bag that everybody had at that time was about this shape. And from what I've seen of that one, I don't have that one, I've never had it before, but from what I've seen of that one, this one looks like it's a tad bit, it might be a tad bit bigger than that one. I don't know for sure, but I will kind of look into that, and I'll put all the measurements and stuff in the description bar below if you're interested, just in case if you do have the Soho bag and you are kind of interested in this one and you want to see the comparison and stuff like that. I will leave all that in the description bar below, or I will just kind of put it in the screen if I can find it. If not, I'll leave it in the description bar below. Now for this bag, I did find some pre-loved options, and I'll leave all that in the description bar below for you ladies as well, if any of you ladies are interested. I've seen other colors, not just this green and red. I've seen like a pink and blue. I've seen like a pink, like a blue and red, and I'll leave everything in the description bar below, and I'll leave pictures up here as well, so you ladies can see other colors of this bag that I have come across. And again, this is what the bag looks like. I absolutely love it. I went ahead and I just put in all my daily essentials that I would normally put in all my shoulder bags when I'm going out for the day. And as you can see, there's no dents or anything like that. Everything kind of fit, except for just this little space right here, but everything fit in this bag perfectly, hence why I was saying that this bag feels and looks like a camera bag to me. So let me show you some of the things that I do have in for my daily essentials. So for my daily essentials, I always have a pair of sunglasses, and I put in my my Fendi sunglasses right there. I have a hand cream. I always have a hand cream in my bags, and with this one I have the Givenchy hand cream. This is from a set that I got for Mother's Day, and I've shared that perfume in my perfume collection, and I'll leave that in the description bar below if you're interested. My MAC powder, Okay, I've been using this MAC powder, mineralized MAC powder for years. I have that in there. I have this big wipe in there. Okay, so I always get this from, I think, either the dollar store or Walmart. I always get this in there. Hopefully my camera can focus. Okay, but anyways, I always have a mask and a wipe. Sorry, I always have mask in my car, but I always have wipes in my handbag as well. I have a hand sanitizer, okay, in my bag, and I always have my card holder. I always have this card holder with me where I keep coins, card, and stuff like that. Then I have my wallet in my bag, of course. This wallet I've had, you know, for years. So this is my Ferragamo wallet. I had to kind of bring back the focus to me. And I have my Chanel mirror in there as well. And with this mirror, I've also shared this mirror in a recent video, and I'll leave that video in the description bar below if you haven't seen the unboxing, my first Chanel unboxing on my channel. Here, that's the mirror right there. And yeah, and I have also in this Chanel pouch, I have my Chanel lipstick with that comes with lip gloss. I have my Chanel lipstick lip gloss. I have my Burberry Her perfume, and what do I have in here? And then I have my Chanel lip balm as well. So all these Chanel products I just shared in a recent video. So if you're interested in watching that video, I did an unboxing of all these products I just mentioned. I'll leave that video in the description bar below, like I said. So you can see all those things came out of this bag. Again, I'll leave mock shots for you ladies to see what it looks like on me, the length, you know, the shoulder length and the crossbody length. I'll leave that in the description bar. I'll leave that up here somewhere. I'll share that with you for you to see, you know, what, you know, this bag looks like on me. And again, this is what the bag looks like. The bag is called the Gucci. Again, the bag is called the Gucci calfskin small Trapuntata Zumi bag. That's what this bag is called. All right, with all that being said, today ladies, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, what fits inside, the mock shot, how it fits on me with the shoulder length and the crossbody length. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoy, give me a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that when I have a new video, you will be notified. Speaking of notification, if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you check out my Instagram. If you like what you see, give me a follow. Also, the link to my website, my blog is also in the description bar below. So if you're interested, please click on that and it takes you to my blog. And yeah, subscribe to my blog as well. And until next time, ladies, you know how it goes. Stay safe, wear your mask. Okay, stay out of drama, stay out of trouble, stay safe, be good, stay blessed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.